welcome back to my vlog. It's a new vlog and it is going to be a very short vlog. Today it is 21st hai na? Yeah, so today it is 21st of December and I have started this vlog today because as you know that Christmas is around the corner and I have already shopped for my dress for Christmas, but the issue is that I'm not going to be here for Christmas because I'm going to Mumbai, not specifically Mumbai but near to Mumbai, like in Maharashtra, because something came up, so I'm not here. I'm feeling a little bit sad that I'm not going to be with him to celebrate my Christmas, but that's okay. So yeah, basically in our family we have this short ritual wherein we throw chits for Secret Santa. So I'm not going to be here to give the gifts on that day, so I'm going to pack the gifts and keep them so he can pass it on to them. And yeah, so I'm going to also pack my bag and everything because I'm not sure for how many days I'm going. I don't know what is the date of coming back to Kerala. So yeah, I will get to know it today only because the tickets will be booked today. So I'm going to go home, I'm going to pack my bag, I'm going to wrap the gifts, and also I have chota work, as in I have to edit the videos. I have to do voiceovers on some of my short YouTube videos so that I would be all set when I'm traveling to upload something. Yeah, we just had our breakfast and now we are leaving for Sunday Mass. So after coming back home, I have a lot of work to do. I will take you guys along with me, and yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Bye. Okay guys, so I am back home and I took a small nap, and now I'm just going to pack all the gifts because we are leaving for one of our relatives' place. There we are going to give all the gifts today because I'm not there, as I told you, for Christmas. So मैंने सोचा कि मैं मेरा gifts I will give today only. So yeah, I'm going to pack them now. Okay, so this is the kurta which I'm going to give that auntie, along with this Bella Vita ka, this perfume set. And I have never seen Bella Vita launching these perfumes, at least vanilla, pistachio and mango flavors. मेरे लिए तो ये first time है that I saw this in the store, but I got it because it looks good for gifting purpose. And yeah, there is another gift which is this shoe from Bata and the two pair of sock. Now I'm just going to quickly do the wrapping because we are running late. We have to go fatafat, come back home and then pack the bag as well because I have not edited my videos also, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get sleep also at night. Also guys, I want to show you something very cute. I got this small gift cards, not gift cards, what is this, cards from a shop, small, and they have so many varieties in this one. This is only for 6 or 7 rupees one card, so I felt it very cute. And they have happy birthday cards as well. तो मुझे personally ये वाला design अच्छा लगा. मैंने और भी बहुत सारे लिए हैं so that मैं सबको दूंगी, बट फिलहाल के लिए तो मैं सिर्फ यही 2 इस गिफ्ट बॉक्स पे लगाने वाली हूँ. ओके, सो एक गिफ्ट is already wrapped. Now I'm going to wrap the other gift. Okay guys, so change of plans with my card. Sorry for that. Okay, so as you can see, this I'm very clumsy today. So sorry.
You are always clumsy.
So this is the gift, second gift, and this is the card. So अगर इसको साथ में if we pair, it's like red, it's not going, it's not vibing. तो I'm going to use some another cards. तो मेरे पास ये वाला एक है जिस पे मेरी क्रिसमस लिखा है. Another one is this one, जिस पे हो ऐसा लिखा है. And I have this green color वाला Merry Christmas, which is also very cute. और फिर मेरे पास और एक ये वाला भी है. That is also red, so वो तो हम skip करेंगे. तो I think I'm gonna go with green, है ना?
Yeah.
Green is good.
दोनों
guys, so the gifts are packed and अभी हम जाएंगे. उसके पहले मैं थोड़ा सा I will मेरा face थोड़ा सुधारती हूँ.
सुधारने का जरूरत क्या है? सुधरा हुआ फेस है.
Okay, so before go so I'm wearing this very cute suit. Please ignore the mess in the mirror. It's very dirty. It is from an Instagram page जिसका नाम है सूरती सिल्क. काफ़ी क्यूट है ये. What are you trying to do?
I'm shooting it behind the scene.
Okay, so I am wearing these cute bangles, multicolor bangles on this dress because the dress is white, so I'm adding some pop of color. These are my favorite bangles.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay guys, we are leaving. Bye bye. Hi guys, I am back home and I have already started packing, so I'm just going to pack my skincare and my makeup pouch. So I'm going to show you what all essential things I pack while I'm traveling. So one of my cousin is going for internship in Maharashtra, तो उसका center वहाँ पे है. So I will be I will be busy with her during all her procedure and everything, so I don't think I would do that much of a makeup, but just in case I'm going to carry. To start off, I'm going to put my compact powder. This I would need definitely. Then a mascara, blush. So this is the blush which I'm carrying. Blush number 2. Why are you laughing? Okay. Christy is watching football match and his team scored a goal, so just because I am vlogging, so he can't shout, so he's making these actions. And then I'm going to carry this tint, which I think should I carry or should I not. I'm going to skip this one for now and I'm going to carry this sunscreen tint instead. I'm going to carry this Nykaa's concealer. I've never used this before, but let's see. I'm going to carry it either ways. Small puff, sindoor, and a primer. So in the start I said that I don't need a lot of makeup, but I have ended up packing quite a lot of makeup. That's just me. And eyeliner for sure. Okay, so I have these 3 lip liners. I'm going to carry these 3 lip liners with me. For my lipstick, I'm going to carry this one from Maybelline, my very trusted and favorite lipstick. This is the one from Lakme. I would carry this Cat Delicious ka lip balm, lip gloss, whatever this is. What is this? Lip gloss it is. So I need little bit more warm shades now, so I'm going to carry this warm shade as well. My Vinyl Ink. Should I carry a red also? I will, right? Why not? Because it's a 7-day trip, so we need lipstick for every day, every mood. I think nahi bol ke I'm going to overpack. Again, one more nude lipstick. I will carry a pink also. This is like a very hot pink, chutak pink. My MAC lipstick and my crayon, lip crayon. Yeah. So basically I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 lipsticks I am carrying for 7 days. I'm going to also carry this small holographic eyeliner. So that is my makeup pouch. That's about it. Okay guys, so I have this Wishcare का anti hair fall shampoo. इसका ये travel size है मेरे पास. I'm already using the big bottle, so I think this is a perfect one to carry for my 7-day trip. So this goes in. This is my skincare pouch. It's vitamin E. I need my toner. I'm going to carry my toner. I would need a micellar water. So for moisturizer, I'm going to carry this Simple Ka moisturizer. It's a little bit of a big bottle, so I'm thinking I will transfer it into a small tube or something. Let me see if I have a tube. So good luck. I have this small dabba. Isme already I have this moisturizer for my last trip, so I'm going to just transfer a little more in this. then I will be sorted. So I don't need to carry this heavy bottle now. So for my perfume, I have this one from Plum. This is the Oso Pistachio का जो perfume है, ये वो वाला है. And this is one more perfume. इसका क्या नाम है? This is Al Haramin something. This is from Dubai. One of my family members got this for me. So I have these two perfumes. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा which one to take. My roll-on, I have this one from Plum Body Loving. This is the one roll-on which I am using currently. So this also I'm going to keep it in my skincare pouch. For my nighttime skincare, I use only one product. Like when I'm traveling, I don't like to layer my skin a lot. Okay, so I'm going to carry this mist, which is Bath and Body Works का into the night mist. So ये हुआ मेरा स्किन केयर का पाउच. Tomorrow morning I'll brush my teeth and I'll pack my toothbrush also in this one, and my face wash as well. I hope I get a reminder of it. Let's see. For now I have these ready. Okay, so for my bag, side bag, I'm going to carry this bag from LVL99. This is from an Instagram store, and I like this bag because it is not the sturdiest bag ever, and it will like accumulate into spaces very nicely. If you can see, आप इसको कैसे भी fold करो, it will be like that only. The first and foremost thing which is very important is I'm going to carry few medicines, like important essential medicines with me. तो इसको मैं इसमें रखती हूँ, ये वाले छोटे से पर्स में. Wooden comb, of course. Digital you know, when you pray or when you कुछ आप अगर कुछ जप करते हो, so this is like this digital thing. I keep it in my finger and then I keep praying if I feel like praying. Then I have this small diary with me to write anything if I have any idea for my videos, or if I want to, you know, write any script or anything, I use this diary. So ये है मेरे पास. I also have one sunglasses with me here. I'm going to pack this. Okay, now again another thing is I'm going to pack these small pouches of tissues in my bag. I'm also going to keep this moisturizer ka dabbi in this bag which I showed you earlier. I'm going to keep a pocket perfume which is Moonkissed Drama, washproof antiseptic जो band-aid है वो, because just in case अगर कुछ emergency हुआ तो, if not me, if someone else also needs, I will carry it with me. And then I will also carry this one cream which is the Orasor cream. It is for mouth ulcers. So usually when I'm out and I'm in stressful situations, I tend to get ulcers, very painful ulcers. So अभी भी I'm getting one ulcer because tomorrow I'm traveling, so I'm in that you know, tension. तो मुझे I get ulcers. Like people would say that ulcers don't come because of stress, but for me, I think it comes out of stress only. So yeah, that's that. And for my pocket perfume, I have 4 options here. Okay, I think I'm going to carry Vanilla Caramello because this is like a nostalgia. This was my first perfume from Plum and I have emptied so many bottles of this one. So basically I have this pouch of cotton pads. This is from Gub and I am not recommending this to you because it is not a good one. But abhi मेरे को ये ख़त्म करना है, so I'm just going to carry it with me. I think by the time I get back from the trip, this is going to get over. So apart from all those things, the most essential thing when you are traveling is, I think, a power bank. So as you can see, I've already kept my I've already kept my power bank on charge. My AirPods, usko bhi मैं charge पे रखी हूँ. So tomorrow morning I'm going to pack these 2 things in my side purse. And now I think I should start with packing my suitcase. So let's go. Guys, I did like a typical Jagruti behavior and I forgot to pack my jewelry. So I have this box here. I'm going to pack small like earrings with me. I'm going for like 7-8 days, no, so I don't want to wear the same earrings, right? That's a girl math. Okay, so I'm going to pack this small bow earrings. When you have these many jewelry options, you are confused. I've carried few like kurtis with me, so uske liye I'm going to carry this small silver jewelries that will look good on the kurti. Guys, it's funny that I have only like 3 or 4 pieces of jewelry and I'm carrying this huge bada dabba. I need a small box or something. Okay, so I have this box. Both are from Piora. This is done. I don't know, guys, I'm feeling like I'm forgetting something. That's just a typical travel behavior. I think by the time you're out of the house, you will have that feeling in your mind. We can't help. Okay, I'm going to carry 2 more pieces of earrings because I'm just a girl. Yeah, I think I have my earrings with me now. Okay guys, so I have my handbag and my suitcase with me, all packed. Now it is 11:30, quite late, and I'm going to go to sleep now because I have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow. 5:30 or 6, I don't know. Now I'm just going to go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye. Hi guys, I am ready and I am all set to go to Mumbai, to Maharashtra specifically, and I have packed my bags. I took some extra things in my side purse. I have added some nail paint and all because I want to remove this and apply new one in the train. Yeah, that's that. Now I'm going to go and I'll come back to Kerala and I'll let you know. So till then, bye bye and Merry Christmas, Christy.
Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, so this vlog is coming to an end right now because I'm going to travel to Kerala abhi at 2:30 मेरा train है. Now the time is like 10:30, so I'm going to leave to the station and yeah, I just came here to tell you that everything went well. I'm in my hotel room, as you can see. I want to show you something. Wait. So basically यहाँ पे मैंने ना कुछ चीज़ें ऑर्डर की फ्रॉम ब्लिंकिट एंड I don't know, they gave me this lipstick from Maybelline as a free gift and I have applied it right now on my lips and I quite liked it. I have never used these range of Maybelline before. I think this is Maybelline Ultimate something. Yeah, it's a good one. The shade is little too dark for me, but I don't mind, right? Yeah, that's all. So I'm going to end this vlog right here. I'm very excited to go back to Kerala and celebrate New Year with my family, with my husband. So yeah, that's it, and keep following for more such vlogs, and Happy New Year to you guys, because by the time this video is on, I think it will be a new year. So enjoy your new year, be happy, be safe, take care, and bye bye.